How to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can disable the two-factor authentication on Instagram. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're done with that, you need to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on your profile, so guys, then you need to tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner. Once you tap on that one, you need to tap on the settings. So once you tap on settings, guys, the settings menu will appear and you need to tap on security. So once you tap on security, here as you can see login security, and just below login security you will find two-factor authentication. So guys, once you tap on two-factor authentication, here as you can see authentication app that recommended. So I installed the application on the recommendation of Instagram, and then I enable the two-factor authentication. So if you want to enable your two-factor authentication, you can find the link in the description of this video. So now if you want to disable that one, just tap on that, and as you can see, remove authentication application. If you remove your authentication app, you will only receive security codes by text messages. So I will tap on remove, and as you can see, that option has been removed. The next option is that text message. So guys, now if I logged into my account from another device, they will send me a text message on the registered phone number which I registered on my account on Instagram. So they will send me a code and I need to enter that code to authenticate that is me and I'm using this account. So if you want to disable that one as well, just tap on and just tap on the disable option, and here they say that turning off two-factor authentication means that you won't need to enter a security code when you logged in. So you need to tap on just turn off, and as you can see now the two-factor authentication has been disabled. So guys, this is all it takes to disable your two-factor authentication on Instagram. I hope you liked the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.